We are in a freezing cold loco shed, but we're looking forward to June to our beer festival. And what we would like is some volunteers to help us out. My name is Sharon and I am the volunteer coordinator for Cymdeithas Rheilffordd Eryri, the Welsh Highland Railway Society, who run the beer festival. So if you are interested in coming and having some fun and helping us out, we need people to help set it all up, take it all down again, serve the beer, so actually do a little bit of bar work, help sell the tickets, book the customers in, and just generally help out on the day. You'll get to see some live music. Get to see lots of lovely people, and also get to see our beautiful steam locomotives and some of our diesels as well. So your help would be gratefully received. If you're interested, if you can please drop me an email at volunteer@CRHE.UK. Or if you're interested in volunteering and doing anything else at the railway, please do feel free to just get in touch and I can have a chat with you and discuss all the different options available. Thank you very much for your help.